folks, it's me again. What's new? This will be the weekly What's New. What's new? Got a few new tool reviews. I'm still doing stuff. Mostly Honda stuff is new. I've been searching some Honda parts for that thing back there. There's another one exactly like it just over yonder. I've been trying to find mostly the drivetrain, the rear drivetrain and the front thing to get the bike rolling. And people want ridiculous prices for pieces of, mind you, supply and demand, right? I think they made 4,086s and 105,085s, so I could be off with the numbers there. But anyway, there's about, the ratio is ridiculous. I have an 86 frame. An 86 Honda has a different differential rear end drive shaft and a few odd things. The engine's the same, and pretty much there's a couple things in the engine. I think the helmet holder and some other little fine details. So I've been trying to acquire some parts, and the prices people like I've seen people on eBay sell like the rear the rear swing arm for $200 all day long, and all of a sudden comes along and I find one for $40. It looks like it's in better shape than everything I've ever seen on eBay. So if you troll hard, you will find stuff. It's like the battery box that I paid $30 for on eBay. I keep seeing them for $79, $100, at $50, $60, and this thing looks like it came out of the factory. So either some people just want to get rid of it, or some people think they're just going to part out bikes and get rich, which does happen. But I mean, if you part out a bike at a reasonable amount, you should sell off all the parts. But I mean, there's so many bikes out there. My biggest problem is an engine. It might cost me half the price of a bike to get an engine for this thing. So I'm thinking of, well, maybe I'll just do my part in the part out business and found a couple of shit boxes, and they keep getting bought out faster than you can find them. And so I might just buy another bike and take the engine off it, get it running, put it on this one, and then part the rest of it out at somewhat of a decent cost. If I buy an engine that's not running, well, I don't know if it's running. I'll have to fix it and put it in there and then tinker with it. If I buy one that's running in the bike, I just gotta pick it up, dismantle it, and put it in the bike. I have the carburetor for it. I think I have the right differential. I have some drive shaft parts. So I just recently acquired an entire rear swing arm complete for less than it would cost me just for the drive shaft. So, do the math. Rest of the channel, what's new? I'm still here, still making videos, still wearing stupid hats. I don't normally wear hats. So I was sitting in my house on the way out the door, and I couldn't resist to wear a stupid hat. So I brought it here. It's a stupid hat day on this channel. Because honestly, the hat's not stupid. The fact that I'm wearing the hat and my head is so big and it barely fits, that's the stupid part. That's why I don't wear hats. I can't find one that fits properly, except for my U.S. Army hat. On that note, I have a couple of tool reviews. I'm making a couple of videos. I will be doing some more work on the sandblaster. I'll be cleaning up the engine, and I got another Kurt Vise to show you. And as soon as I get it out of my car, which is dead in my driveway, because I haven't got off my lazy ass and bought a new battery for the car. So it's probably rusting in my trunk right now. With that said, I do want to make a speed handle for the my Kurt Vise. That's still on my agenda. It's been in the back of my mind. I want to finish doing that. When it comes to the shop moving, it's going to move eventually. I have no idea when. I'm not cleaning anything up. I'm not moving anything. Not starting any major projects other than finishing little things I have for now. I'm guessing by spring it should come along, because this apparently is being renovated into a house. So it's not my problem anymore. All I want to do is keep that door, keep the garage door, and do whatever else they want. I'm going to eventually move there and then build another garage in the yard over there. It's all mine and no problems, and I pay electric bill. So, with that said, I don't know, not much really. Yeah. Same stuff. Oh, and to my 1420, I think I'm up to 1426. If you're new to the channel and you just subscribed, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all my subscribers. I'm still in awe to actually have any subscribers, because I don't know, when you're not used to this YouTube stuff and you got all these like Mr. Beasts and everybody's popular, I don't look like you know, I don't have a I don't have the face for an adventure. I'm not like one that was like, oh, Mr. I've, you know, nobody will ever put me on the cover of GQ ever. If they do, they're just completely crazy. And you know, I'm just, you know, I'm not freaking movie material. So it's fascinating that people would watch some of my videos or listen to me gab for 5.5 minutes. So if you stuck with the video, stay tuned. I'll be making more videos, more content. Whether it's watchable or not is questionable. That's up to you to decide. But I appreciate everything. I've almost, I think I'm at 800 and something thousand views. I've almost got 1 million views on the channel. Almost in 2 years. My goal is to get, I don't know. Actually, I don't even think I have a goal. My goal is to make videos and have fun. That was my stated goal before. And buy more Cobra mini players. But that was my goal, is to enjoy doing this channel. I'm sticking to it. I'm having fun. I'm not doing it because you want fame, fortune, whatever. If I do need about 600 or 800 more watch hours. So if you can help on that, that'd be good. In order to get monetized, so I can get that pizza. My goal to be monetized is basically buy a pizza, or maybe not even. Oh, I don't really eat pizza anymore, so maybe my goal, I should change it. My goal is to be monetized and buy some prime rib. One big fat prime rib roast, cut it in like steaks and just grill in the barbecue. Also, I'll take this hat off. If you've been watching my channel, you'll notice that my fat head has gotten skinnier. I've lost almost, I think, yeah, almost 50 pounds. So since I started this thing, my face was like bloated. And if you go to my very first few videos where I do a face shot, I look like a inflated cow. Don't get me wrong, I like cows. I really like eating cows. I wouldn't eat this cow because, I mean, look at me, tainted. I look like a fat Nancy. So with that said, I was just, I was in a nutritional state of, what do you call it, anarchy, I guess you could say. So I changed it, turned it around. If you've watched a few of my videos, you'll know how I changed it. But my channel's not about nutrition, unless it's chewing gum, making noise. My kids will eventually be back on my channel whenever they feel like it. They're too busy addicted to gadgets. We cut them off to get addicted, you know. It's a fight for iPad supremacy at my house. With that, I probably should stop talking because somebody who I know on other channels is going to accuse me of gabbing too much, which is true. Thanks for watching. Click some buttons, subscribe, like, whatever, dislike, whatever you want. I don't care. And come back and watch some videos. Thanks for watching.